Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and as you can see, I have a lot of Sculpey PREMO clay. I decided to get one of every block, and there are 50 blocks total, so I thought maybe I should swatch all of them and show you like a little comparison video of all the different colors and designs it has once baked. And I just thought this would be a very good reference video for those who want to get some Sculpey PREMO clay but don't know which colors to get, so I thought this would be a good idea to show off. And in the description box below, I'm going to place a link of where to buy the Sculpey PREMO clay. So I was wondering what I can make that can show off all the colors, and I thought simple is always better, so I decided to make some frog heads. So I'm going to take a ball of clay, and we're just going to slightly flatten it on one side and make it a little bit oval. And then for the little eyes, we're going to take a ball of clay and roll into a cylinder and cut off the end. And we're going to use that end to place that onto the head, and we want to place 2 in total. Next, we're going to give it some dot eyes. Along with a line smile. And I mixed white with some pomegranate colored clay just to make a light pink, just to show that this isn't one of the PREMO colors, I just made it myself. And we're going to use that to make 2 flattened circles for the cheeks and place that on the side of the eyes. So we have our frog head, so I'm going to go ahead and make all 50 of them. So we're going to start with the solid colors. So we have the cayenne frog head. This one is pomegranate, fuchsia, blush, orange, cadmium yellow, zinc yellow, sunshine, forest green. Then we have green. This one is Spanish olive. Wasabi. Ultramarine blue. Cobalt blue. Turquoise. Pale blue. Mint green. Purple. And mauve. So this is my colorful rainbow selection. Then we have alizarin crimson, burnt umber, raw sienna, and ecru, black, slate gray, white, white translucent, translucent, beige, and glow in the dark. And here are my neutrals. I will say that the translucent and white translucent look exactly the same. So next we're going to go with our effects. So we have granite gray, turquoise granite, yellow gold glitter, white gold glitter, rose gold glitter, next we have twinkle twinkle, frost white glitter, and there really is glitter in this one, you just can't see it, there isn't much. Then we have opal and pearl, silver, graphite pearl, gold, $18K gold, antique gold. This one is bronze, copper, sunset pearl, bright green pearl, peacock pearl, and finally purple pearl. And these are all the pearly and glittery ones that we have in the PREMO set. So I placed all of the different swatches on a frame and you can see all 50 colors pretty well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys use this video as a reference for any PREMO clay that you decide to buy in the future. Thank you for watching.